chickens! We've met so many farm animals already. But have you ever looked really close? Some animals are tiny. Some come out only at night.
Exactly! They can be really hard to spot sometimes.
Wow! Then let's zoom in and see what secrets the farm still keeps. This fuzzy yellow and black texture, tiny wings, what could it be? It's a bee! Bees may be small, but they do big work. They help flowers and crops grow by carrying pollen from one plant to another. Without bees, the flowers wouldn't grow well, and the farm would have fewer fruits. Smooth green skin with tiny drops of water still resting on it. Can you guess who it belongs to? It's a frog. Frogs love ponds and puddles. They keep the farm clean by eating insects that bother the animals and plants. They might be small, but they make a big difference. Soft feathers, golden eyes. Who's watching quietly from the barn roof? It's an owl. While everyone sleeps, the owl stays awake. It guards the barn and hunts the mice that sneak in for food. The owl's quiet work helps keep the farm safe and peaceful. Bright feathers filled with tiny dots of color, almost like painted eyes. It's a peacock! Some farms keep peacocks not just for their beauty, but because they warn others when something strange comes near. And when they open their feathers, it's like the farm's very own parade. A round, spiral shell, sliding slowly on a leaf. It's a snail! Snails come out after rain, carrying their homes on their backs. They move slowly, but never stop, reminding us that patience can take you far. Thin wings folded tight and tiny claws gripping a branch, sleeping quietly in the daylight. It's a bat! Bats sleep during the day and wake at night to eat mosquitoes and bugs that fly around the farm. Even when no one sees them, they're helping keep the animals safe. Spiky back, tiny nose, and quiet steps under the bushes. It's a hedgehog! Hedgehogs eat worms and snails that harm the plants. They might look prickly, but they're gentle little helpers who keep the garden healthy. Every corner of the farm has its own secret helpers. Some buzz, some crawl, and some only wake when it's dark. Even the smallest creatures make a big difference.